Good day guys, hope you're doing well. This is just a analysis of NAS 100 and XAU USD, which is called. So yeah, this is just going to be like a analysis of my overall weekly analysis, something I would be looking at for the entire week, just an idea mostly. So yeah, let's start on the let's go to the weekly time frame. This is NAS 100. Go to the weekly. As you can see, the weekly is bullish. We are currently at an all-time high as well. So go to the monthly time frame. Just you can see we are at an all-time high on NAS 100. Okay, let me go to my daily time frame. You can clearly see that on the daily time frame we did fill in this imbalance over here. Let me just get my rectangle tool, mark that out real quick. Got this daily bullish imbalance right there, and I also want to mark out my draw on liquidity for the daily time frame, which is this daily high over here. We also do have this imbalance on a daily that we could possibly retrace into. So yeah, that's about what I'm looking at on the daily time frame. On the 4 hour, clearly see that we did break structures towards the downside. Right, let me just mark it out for you. There, did break structure towards the downside, and we did form this bearish 4 hourly order block. Right, over here. So you can see that's a bearish 4 hourly order block, and if you take your GAN box, which is used to mark out equilibrium, you can also use the fib retracement tool. You can see, okay, we do have equilibrium resting on this 4 hourly imbalance. We also have this 4 hourly imbalance and this one over here that could possibly get filled. If you take from this high down to that low, you can see that we did fill in our fair value gap. Excuse me, sorry about that. You can see we did fill in this 4 hourly imbalance over there, but not much. So you can the 4 hourly break of structure towards the downside indicates a retracement on the daily time frame. So we did get a retrace into this daily imbalance that we marked out over here. Excuse me guys, I'm a bit tired here. Okay, that's the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see that we are bearish on the 1 hourly as well, but we did sweep this liquidity and did break structure towards the upside on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly time frame. Just going to delete that to keep for neatness sake. Oh, you know what? No. Let's not worry about how neat the chart looks. Just wanna point out some things here because I just saw something on the hourly time frame. I will show you guys what I saw just now. Okay, if you got the 4 hour time frame right there. Okay, cool. 1 hour time frame. Okay, as you can see, we did sweep out this 1 hourly lows in as well as this 1 hourly low over here. So we did get a sweep of these lows, and then right after we broke structure to the upside on the 1 hourly time frame. If you take your Gann box once again, mark from that low to that high, we can see price hit equilibrium as well. We filled in our bullish 1 hourly order block, and a break of structure to the upside on the 1 hourly time frame usually indicates a retrace to the upside on the 4 hourly time frame, which is great. So we could possibly be looking at a, let me use this tool right here, we could be looking at something like possibly coming up until this 4 hourly equilibrium, or even pushing up to this 4 hourly bearish order block. If not, and we do break structure back to the upside on the 4 hourly time frame, it would be good because our daily is already bullish. But if we do only retrace up until this 4 hourly equilibrium, which also means we would fill in this 4 hourly imbalance over here, if we do push up further, we would also still fill up that smaller 4 hourly fair value gap and this order block as well. So we'll see what happens with market open. Okay, so as you can see, we might get a slight push up into this highs over here, or could possibly get a push up into this bearish OB right there. So that's that's something I'd like to look at, or just keep in mind. 30-minute time frame, not much to see there. Or 15-minute, let's go to the 30-minute. I just want to see something. So if we do possibly see something over here, where is that? Okay, we got Friday's New York session open, and then I just want to mark out Monday's Asian session open right there. Just want to see what it does. Possibly I would be looking at price extending towards the upside. Also could take out this low over here. It could possibly come down, sweep out that low, and then push towards the upside. But we'll see what happens. I have to wait to see, or I have to wait and see, because there's no red folder news tomorrow. If I'm correct, let me just check. Let me go to the Forex Factory. 9 a.m. USD news. It's an orange folder. FOMC member Wallace speaks. That's all I'm seeing there. So yeah, we'll see what happens, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, that's all for NAS 100. Just a quick one. What I'm looking at is price getting a retrace into this equilibrium over here on the 4 hourly, or possibly this 4 hourly bearish fair value gap right there, and the bearish order block. So that's about that. Let's go to gold. Let's do gold quickly, and then I'm going to end this video. Daily time frame. You can clearly see we are bullish on the daily time frame. We did break structure towards the upside. We do have this drawn liquidity on the daily time frame for gold. I'm gonna make my draw on liquidity red with this high as well, and also we do have this high over there. Okay. We did sweep out this liquidity, and also we broke structure towards the upside on the daily time frame right there. Okay, got this daily bullish order block. As as you can see, we did push past it, so we'll see what happens. Just want to see what happens on this, because it might be invalidated, so we'll still see, and I'll have a look what I'll have excuse me, my English is not Englishing tonight. I apologize for that. I'll have to have a look at that. As you can see on the 4 hour, we did get a break of structure to the downside, confirming a retrace into this bullish order block. Just keep in mind, this is a bullish order block on the daily. 4 hour. Okay, cool. On the 4 hourly time frame, we can clearly see that we broke structure towards the downside. We filled in this imbalance over here, which also broke structure towards the downside. We pushed down and okay, yeah, we got that. We do have this bearish 4 hourly order block. Just mark it out with a bearish OB. There we go. And just want to check something on the daily. Sorry. Okay, daily time frame. We got a bullish OB. Okay, that's the 4 hourly and daily time frame analysis. I'm quite interested actually to see what happens on gold. Same thing with the hourly time frame. I am looking at a retrace into this highs, into that imbalance right there on the 4 hourly time frame. Oh, excuse me. Yes, I'm yawning here. 1 hour. Just take that out real quick. It's gonna start annoying me now. We do have 4 hourly, 1 hourly equilibrium right there. So if we do break structure towards the upside on the 1 hourly time frame, we should possibly see that price comes up, possibly taking out this imbalance, also coming up to possibly take out this bearish 4 hourly order block. But we do have to take out this high within before my London session, basically, because that's when I trade gold. Because if you do see, I just want to mark out something quickly. Okay, there's your Friday's New York session, and there's Monday's Asian session open. So I do possibly see something happening with this. So we could possibly see price come down, take out this Asian low, our previous New York session, previous session low within Monday's Asian session open, and because if you look at the 30-minute, you can see we are still bearish right there. So it's quite actually interesting to see what's going to happen here, because this thing is making me wondering, because we did get this bearish candle close on the daily time frame. So I don't know if this is actually going to be invalidated. I don't know. It's like I'll have to wait and see. It's like I'm a type of trader or person that trades what he sees, and I don't want to go off of an idea and that idea gets stuck in my head. I wanna, if you know what I mean, it's like I wanna do something that really, I wanna trade what the market shows me to trade. I wanna adapt to new market moves and the new environment. So if you understand what I mean, I don't know if anyone does understand, but yeah, it's it's quite interesting to see what happens actually if you do understand a few things. But yeah, like I also said in the beginning of the videos that I started making on my YouTube channel. This gets posted to YouTube, and I also recently opened or started a TikTok page that I'm also posting it on. So yeah, like I said, this is for the TikTok people. Please know that I'm still a trader. I'm still learning, and yeah, this is just trade recaps, trade analysis, just my point of view on the market for the coming week, and I also try and do trade recaps every day. That's just a journal for me. That's what I use to journal my trades, see what mistakes I made. It's fun for me. I try and make it more fun. It's better to do it that way. So yeah, like I said, 4 hours bearish, daily's bullish, 1 hour is bearish as well, and then get the 30-minute right there. So yeah, I do honestly, for gold, because daily is bullish, I do expect a nice push towards the upside for on the daily time frame, on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, we'll see what happens on the 4-hour time frame if we do break structure back towards the upside. But it would be quite, I don't know if I'm going to take a trade tomorrow, because I'd like my trends to line up. Like my 4-hour has to be bullish, my daily has to be bullish, and my 1-hourly has to be bullish before I could possibly look for an execution. So yeah, if you go to the daily, you can see, okay, that's quite, how can I say, it's bullish, but it's not what I'm looking for. So if, okay, my daily is bullish, fold in that daily bullish order block. 4 hours bearish, so I don't want to execute on this. I don't feel right executing on this. So yeah, I want to see what happens. I would like price to break structure to the upside on the 4-hourly time frame tomorrow, so that would set me up for a great trade. So yeah, I might just still document this trade, place like a mock trade, and then we'll take it from there, just to show you guys what happened and what I saw. But I do definitely think on NAS 100 that I could see something decent happen there, because on the daily time frame, as you can see, we already formed this high with the market close last week, Friday, this past Friday. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please tune in for the trade recap that will be posted tomorrow afternoon, if there is no, or tomorrow evening, which is Monday, the 24th of June 2024. So yeah, if there is no trade recap posted, please know that I did not take a trade that day. But just like I just said, on gold, I will try and like get something there and just place a mock trade, so I'll be able to show you guys what I was thinking and what my thought process was going through the mock trade I placed. If I do place an actual trade, how can I say, it will still be the same. I'll just let you know if it was a mock trade or a actual trade, and if it's an actual trade, I'll also let you know what my risk was. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful evening further, and I will see you tomorrow.